Episode 56 BU, April 8, 2023. Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, CRAWSEpresidents.wordpress.com and scroll down for PDFs of articles with URLs to search on, and on the website are links to 10-minute TikTok and YouTube videos and 30-minute podcasts on Spotify and Podbean. United States. ROSEP-View. The air pollution referred to in this Daily Beast article is PM 2.5, particulate matter of 2.5 micrometer size, the perfect size to infiltrate the human lung, setting off a cascade of human health problems. Wood-burning emissions are 90% PM 2.5 and PM 2.5 from the stack of a residential wood burner enters the yards and infiltrates the homes of near neighbors. PM 2.5 monitors such as Purple Air can measure the PM 2.5 pollution at the stack or at the fence line, the neighbor's yard. It is preferable to measure the actual emissions every 10 minutes and have historic data saved on Purple Air online maps available to the general public and government authorities, to be used as evidence of pollution limits exceeded, which should result in shutdown of the residential wood-burning stove. Since the PM 2.5 data for each resident-owned PM 2.5 monitor can be downloaded during normal government working hours, if laws were in place, residential wood stoves could be shut down without entering wood-burning residences nor checking the certification of residential wood stoves. The Office of the Inspector General, OIG, watchdog of the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, published a report in February 2023 stating that the certification program for residential wood stoves is flawed with loopholes for industry, so that wood stoves are being certified and sold while being highly polluting. The new EPA PM 2.5 particulate safe levels are expected by 2024 to be 8 micrograms per meter cubed annually and 25 micrograms per meter cubed daily. Wood burning produces more particulates PM 2.5 than fossil fuel, coal burning, and 450 times the PM 2.5 as the cleanest fossil fuel natural gas burning for home heat. Even certified wood burning stoves are highly polluting, and the solution would be to ban residential wood burning to stop PM 2.5 air pollution problem at its source. Purple Air PM 2.5 monitors, to be placed in yards of near neighbors of residential wood burners, should be handed out by the government to any neighbor of a residential wood burner who complains of air pollution from their neighbor's hyperlocalized wood burning. PM 2.5 harms the health of near neighbors and all who breathe it, and PM 2.5 pollution contributes to climate change. Biomass, wood burning and residential wood burning produce the same PM 2.5, and wood burning is not carbon neutral. Replacement of trees after cutting them down to burn are replaced only after many decades or even centuries, and in the meantime, the burning of wood contributes more PM 2.5 to the air than, for instance, the fossil fuel coal. ROSEP-View. This Daily Beast article briefly describes how PM 2.5 air pollution has been proven to 1. Cause lung cancer, 2. Decrease athletic performance in running, 3. Decrease ability to play chess, 4. Increase lung inflammation, 5. Increase stroke, and 6. Cause death. This article also states that PM 2.5 does not cause DNA damage, but can still cause lung cancer, and a new study pinpoints how PM 2.5 causes lung cancer. Excerpt from the article. This new theory hinges on the notion that mutations that can lead to lung cancer may already exist in small numbers of a person's cells, having arisen on their own due to random change. Pollutants like PM 2.5 then change the environment of the lungs to make it easier for these cells to proliferate and grow into a fully fledged tumor. The idea is that exposures to carcinogens could promote cancer without actually doing anything to the DNA. The team looked at nearly 33,000 instances of this lung cancer in the UK, Canada, South Korea, and Taiwan, and gene-edited mice that developed lung cancer when exposed to PM 2.5. Based on these experiments, they were able to confirm the existence of a second pathway that causes cancer, widespread lung inflammation, resulting from air pollution. Their results were published on April 5 in Nature. As part of a multi-institutional study to pinpoint the causes of cancer, called TRACRX study, the researchers focused on lung cancer with a mutation in the EGFR gene, which is involved in cell growth and survival. The conclusion of the article was the best, and the only long-term solution, to lung cancer caused by PM2.5, is to stop emitting air pollution. The Daily Beast is an American news website focused on politics, media, and pop culture. Founded in 2008, the website is owned by IAC Inc. Why air pollution could cause lung cancer cases to explode. The Daily Beast. The Daily Beast. Pollutants like PM2.5 then change the environment of the lungs to make it easier for these cells to proliferate and grow into a fully fledged tumor. Excerpts edited by Rozep for brevity and clarity. Why air pollution could cause lung cancer cases to explode. Hold your breath. The way small particulate matter can encourage tumor growth is more insidious than we thought. April 5, 2023. PM2.5 effects on human health range from the trivial, but still bad, to the very relevant, and very, very bad. Pro athletes and chess players perform worse when exposed to high levels of air pollution, and toxic pollutants like PM2.5 are linked to lung inflammation, strokes, and death. Most importantly, PM2.5 has a link to cancer. The European Environment Agency estimated last year that more than 10% of cancers on the continent are caused by exposure to pollution. In the UK, a relationship between PM2.5 and a type of lung cancer found in non-smokers and light smokers was studied. 33,000 instances of this lung cancer were studied in the UK, Canada, South Korea, and Taiwan. A study of gene-edited mice that developed lung cancer when exposed to PM2.5 confirms the existence of a second pathway that causes cancer, widespread lung inflammation, resulting from air pollution. Results published on April 5 in Nature. The European Environment Agency estimated last year that more than 10% of cancers on the European continent are caused by PM2.5 pollution. Virtually nowhere in the world is safe from air pollution. Gasp. PM2.5 carcinogens that could promote cancer without actually doing anything to the DNA were found in the TRACRX study. A mutation in the EGFR gene is involved in cell growth and survival. High levels of the PM2.5 was linked with increases in the cases associated with the mutation. The horrifying reason why you might suck at chess. Bombcloud attack. Genetically engineered mice possess a mutated human EGFR gene that could lead to lung cancer. 31 of these mice were exposed to 2 different levels of PM2.5 and cancer development was measured 7 weeks later. The mice exposed to low and high concentrations of PM2.5 developed more lesions on their lungs compared to mice that were not exposed to the air pollution. Mice exposed to the highest levels of PM2.5 exhibited larger clusters of mutated EGFR cells in their lungs. Pollution was not causing their DNA to change. Researchers found increased numbers of immune cells, called macrophages, in the lungs of mice exposed to air pollution. These immune cells release an inflammation-causing protein, and the resulting inflammation fuels the growth of pre-existing mutated EGFR cells. Your football team may suck because of something in the air. Exhale. A cancer geneticist at the University of California, San Francisco, wrote an accompanying commentary stating research shows pollution interacts with lung cells to promote the changes that result in malignancy. These results have major implications for how to think about cancer prevention, because researchers showed that mice treated with an antibody targeting the inflammatory protein prevented lung tumors from forming, even when exposed to air pollution. In the short term, cancer researchers can focus on identifying foods or drugs that can protect against the dangerous inflammation brought upon by noxious air pollution. However, to truly address this crisis for humankind, and not just individuals who can access these therapies, we need widespread change as soon as possible. The best, and the only long-term solution, is to stop emitting air pollution.